Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the option to delete contours of the same shape for your delete contour feature. And this will be for FabriCAM software. But before all of that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. And now I'm just going to add a quick few shapes here so you guys get the idea of what's happening. So I'm going to add a circle. I'm going to make, let's make about 3 of them. Going to go add, going to add these ones quickly manually to the actual canvas. Now let's go and add another circle. This time I'm going to just add one of them, but I'm going to also keep it 200, so exactly the same size, but we should see it in another color. So I'm going to add that, and then let's go. I'm just going to move these ones up a bit, and then I'm going to add another shape, and let's make this one maybe about 300. Add it to the parts as one manual quantity. Add it. And then we add this shape over here. And now as you guys can see here, we've got 5 of the same shape here. But yeah, there's something to keep in mind when it comes to this feature. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here to the actual cam option. So we have it selected. I'm going to select our first shape and then go to the delete contours little button over here. And once we open this, we'll have some options on top here. So I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see it a bit better. So we've got here apply for all parts of the same shape. Now this one is interesting in the sense of the way you must interpret it, because you might think if I click this, it's going to apply it to all the how can I say, to all the circles. So I'm going to click that, say delete contour, and then say OK. Now, as you can see, it's only deleted the same top ones and not the bottom ones. So they're all circles. The circle's even the same diameter of the top ones, but it only deleted the contour for the top one. So if we go here to the preview, you can see it's only cutting the bottom 2. So yeah, that is something to keep in mind when it comes to the actual delete contours of the same shape. And that is that it actually works according to the part that is selected and not the actual shape of that part. So that is something to keep in mind. So apply for all parts of the same shape will mean from the part selected, it will basically apply to all the parts. So previously we looked at deleting only one, so we could delete one of these or 2 or so forth. This one will just make it quick of you. Let's say you've got about 10 parts of the same shape. You can then just quickly delete it by clicking apply for all parts of the same shape. Now something to keep in mind when using these top settings, and that is that it keeps it on, or keeps it checked on after you've used it. So if I just select this shape and go back to delete contours, you'll see it's still on. So you might not notice it and just carry on here, but it is important to note. So first check it off and then you do your settings. Otherwise, when you go there, it's going to be checked on still. So yeah, otherwise that is it on deleting contours of the same shape. I'm just going to check that off, say OK, so that we know it is no longer active. But yeah, otherwise, in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.